So I'm here at White Castle Iron Age Hillfort. Now I actually thought it would be up there, but it's not. It's there. So this is what I brought my drone for, because apparently this is one of the best preserved embankments and stuff you can see here. So I really want to get the drone up. I fixed it. I really want to get it up and see if I can. That's what I got it for hill forts. I mean, they look amazing, hill forts, when you actually look at them, but they're better from above. So this is pretty cool. Look. Wow, okay. Look at that. No mistaking the embankments there. That's brilliant. And this, I'm guessing, would have been the entrance. And then so we'd. And then you'd have walked up here. Lovely man. Yeah, it's a super cool one. And you can really see the ditch. That's class. Always makes me. It's just cool. I don't know why. Clearly see the ditch. That is amazing. Right there. Right into this. Exciting. The original gate to Coldingham Priory. How cool was that? The original entrance. And then look. 1,000 years the church has been here. Medieval architecture at its finest as usual. I mean, look at this. Look at that. It's too cool. Here, so what's really cool about the Priory is they've incorporated all the bits of the old Priory into the new one, to make a new one. Because look, if you go up there, it's all white and rubbish, and you go to that side, and it's all ancient and cool. It's very cool, and at the end as well, it's amazing, that end bit. It's so cool. So wow, this must be all the stuff from the old Priory. It's so cool, look at that. Old water bowls for your communion. Such amazing artwork. There's another one, look at that. Super cool. Get the water. Amazing, and then look at that. And then that. Super cool. Look at that. The wall from the old church. Wow, look at them. It's the old pillars, look. Like you get at the Carbroth Abbey. They are super cool. It's actually super cool. I like the creel path. Ouch, ow, ah.